I wanted to be able to control my own financial destiny and to have that control to enable me to achieve my lifestyle that I'm looking for and to be able to live my passion by having that lifestyle. So I've completed the 3 courses through Wealth Within. I've done the Diploma course, the Advanced course and the CFD course. I chose Wealth Within because the course content and the support that they're offering with the course really fitted my requirements, and particularly with the government accreditation of the course, it gave me the confidence that this course would be able to provide me with the necessary skills to be successful in trading the share market. Yeah, staying with Wealth Within has been a really enjoyable experience. You know, I think that this brings being part of a really big family. They make you feel like you're a part of the family, in which you are, and that's given me a really thoroughly enjoyable educational experience. And that's been possible, I think, from a company that has really delivered on its promises that it gave me at the outset when I enrolled for the course. So it's been really a thoroughly enjoyable, and one that I'll recommend to anybody who's really interested in trading the market successfully and, importantly, very safely. The great thing with the course was that it had a fantastic content, and in particular, which I think more importantly as well for me, was this ongoing support during the training and education process. That, you know, part of the support process was tremendous feedback from all the assessors, answering all my questions and queries I had as I was going through the process on a very timely basis, and I always felt really supported. I mean, the assessors made me feel really supported, gave me confidence, and at times it wasn't easy going through it, but that constant contact I had with them was really great, and it gave me that confidence, and I can't speak more highly of that level of support, and the content was just great for me. Yeah. Well, the course content was fantastic, really was, very thorough, very comprehensive, and presented in a way that made learning a real pleasure for me anyway. And I think importantly, I think the course, the way it was structured, it got you to apply the techniques and the concepts in actual exercises as part of the program to help reinforce it, and that really did. I think that really aided my learning program or progress, and by applying it through those exercises. So the content was excellent and well structured, well outlined, and presented exceptionally well for easy learning. Yeah, it's enabled me to get to a position now in my life where I'm now trading confidently, yep, and I'm very importantly trading safely, and thirdly trading successfully. And it's given me a situation now to live my life in a way that will create a lifestyle that I really want. And so it's really been able to bring my life to a really nice and positive point in time at this stage.